Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part, the opening of Guns N' Roses' Breakdown from 1991. Let's take a listen. All right, what I love about this is it's going to be easier probably than you thought it was going to be. Really will. I'm going to show you that in a minute on this free part one. But I do teach a different way. I don't use notes on a staff. I developed this method, this whiteboard system, many years ago for students who just needed a different way to learn. Music reading was a roadblock to them. So I started writing these letters on a whiteboard, and we talk about chords, we talk about fingerings and how to play something technically that's going to make it easier, how to pedal, everything in my lessons. So that's what we're going to do here. Let's take a look at this board here. And if you are a member of my website, you can download this sheet. This is just a little part of it. The whole thing is very long, all 7 or 8 minutes of it, and I take you through every measure. But let's do this little part here for this free part one on YouTube and Facebook. All right, D flat left hand. The right hand's going to come in with D flat and A flat, and then a left hand D flat. 1. And then D flat and C flat. See, this is a C, so C flat is this note right here. Okay? Then a D flat on the right, left, left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So the rhythm is swing. Da, 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 da. It's not a straight rhythm. Bum, 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 bum. Right? It's not 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and it's da, 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 da. Okay, so we go to the next measure. We have D flat, A flat still. So you don't change your hand. You still have the same notes you had in the first measure. A flat, C flat, A flat, left hand D flat in the gap, right hand finishes with C flat, A flat, C flat. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, na, 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 na. And then the next two measures are basically the same. So this is not how the song starts, right? It starts with the guitar parts and the piano is just kind of accompanying. And I actually do teach that, but I thought for this free part one we would jump into that part because that's what everybody thinks of when they think of the piano part on Breakdown. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you on WebPianoTeacher.com. I'll take you through the whole thing. It'll be a blast.